Hello guys, welcome to Weather Radar. And today it is the last day of my school. Yesterday was the last day. Today is Saturday. And we're going to look at the weather. It's supposed to be really hot all week. So, good luck. For us, it's 82 degrees right now. There's a tropical storm out there, but I'm not too worried about it. So it's going to pick up. They say it's going to pick up to 90 degrees. And I've showed y'all this, but I'll be right back. Alright, so here's my proof. 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. All this next week is going to be pretty hot. So today, or tomorrow, clouds and sunshine, hot, high near 90 degrees, winds light and variable. Partly cloudy skies, hot, high 92, winds light and variable. Tuesday, intervals of clouds and sunshine near record high temperatures, high 94, winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. 94 degrees, Wednesday, partly cloudy, hot, high 94, winds west-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday, mostly sunny skies, hot, high 93, winds southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Then we got Friday, 92, clouds and sunshine, high 92 winds, west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Then 87 Saturday, next Saturday, sunshine and clouds mixed, high 87, winds southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday, next weekend, 89, partly cloudy skies, high 89, winds south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Monday, after next week, partly cloudy with a slight chance of thunderstorms, high 89, winds south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, chance of rain 30%. Scattered thunderstorms, Tuesday, 87, scattered thunderstorms, high 87. Winds southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, chance of rain 40%. Wednesday, day 86, scattered clouds with the possibility of an isolated thunderstorm developing during the afternoon, high 86, winds west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, chance of rain 30%. And yeah, I'll just let you look at these. Right now, it's pretty hot. It is. But as you can see, it's not that bad, really, honestly. But we're going to look at the radar. There's some storm areas over there. We never did get storm on. There's some snow over here. But the tropical storm is somewhere. Where is it? I'm going to have to look for it. Because I hear there's a tropical storm somewhere. Huh. Well, I guess it's not. Because I don't see it. It's not on the radar. Anyways. But I think there is a tropical, there we go, tropical cyclone tracks. There it is. There's nothing here, though. It must be developing. Anna. Alright, so there's something here. Y'all just can't see it, so my radar's messing up. But this is Anna. Hurricane, or tropical storm Anna. Movements, northeast 5.0 miles per hour, max wind 45.0 miles per hour, pressure NA. Type, tropical storm, Anna, May 22nd, 7 o'clock p.m. Central Daytime. Low pressure. I think it's a low pressure at this minute. Subtropical storm. Movement 3.0 miles per hour. Max wind 45.0 miles per hour. Pressure 1060 millibar. So, yeah. So there's a tropical storm. But I don't think it's going to get over here because you could see it. It's going towards the North Atlantic Ocean. So, it's just in the ocean. But still, be careful on the shorelines. Like, hold on. Like over here. Because this tropical storm can sling up some waves over here. So, be careful over there. And some over here. But yeah, just be careful out there, guys. This is the weather for a whole entire world almost. We go over here to where a bunch of y'all live, like over here. Whoever watches me, I know there's a couple people that watch me. I'm just looking. So there's some rain in India. There's some rain in France, Spain, Germany, Denmark, Poland, all those places. And there's some snow/rain in Norway, Finland, Sweden, and some rain in Japan. Japan and some rain. There's some rain in Moore. Wait, that's Moore, Oklahoma. Wait. Missouri, my bad. There's some rain in Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas, Louisiana, Idaho, Nebraska, and all those other places. There's also some rain in Canada. Some rain up here. But that's it. Thank y'all guys for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please help me out. Show everybody the weather, and bye-bye.